Bonjour, Bienvenue à l'Ecole St. Stanislaus Catholic Elementary School. We are a single-track French Immersion school serving students from kindergarten to grade 6. We are a small school with a big heart.
We are excited to show you around and share why our school is amazing and why you should come here. Come with us on a tour.
Our mission at Ecole St. Stanislaus is to nurture a faith-based atmosphere enriched with French culture, language, where students foster respect, compassion, innovation, and engagement. And in case you didn't know this, French Immersion is specifically designed for children who come from non-French speaking families. It's a program where every child can succeed.
The benefits of speaking a second language are endless. You become fluent in another language, you are challenged academically in French and in English. Research shows that learning another language can actually make your first language skills stronger. You get to experience many activities exposing you to French culture. You'll feel proud and confident in your abilities to speak French. And when you are old enough, you can use your bilingualism for post-secondary, when seeking work opportunities, and while traveling to French-speaking countries. And best of all, it's fun.
Kindergarten is where it all begins. In these colorful and play-inspired classrooms, students are given a gentle introduction to the French language. They spend their time learning key phrases, listening to stories, singing songs, and developing an ear for French. When I was in kindergarten, I was always excited to share French words with my parents. By the end of the year, families always comment on how much French their child has learned and how exciting it is. Our bibliothèque is packed with great books in both French and English. Students visit our library once a week to pick up books to take home and enjoy. Whether they're into exciting adventures, heartwarming stories, or educational material, there's something for everyone. Literacy is a huge focus at our school.
Our chapel is also found in the library. Classes gather here for religion classes, independent prayer, and reflection. Our stained glass installation is created by a graduating grade 6 class each year.
At St. Stanislaus, our music program offers an exciting introduction to the world of music. Students can also join the liturgical choir, adding a special touch to their musical journey.
Our choir has performed at the Edmonton International Airport, Sing for Santa, and at an Oil Kings game. Each spring, all students participate in our very own concert we call the St. Stan's Folk Fest. In honor of St. Stanislaus, our Catholic school community thrives by living the student way.
Inspired by Christ's example, we strive to be resilient, faith-filled, unique, dedicated, empowering, visionary, and risk-takers.
During the year, we come together for special prayers and celebrations following our Catholic traditions. Every November 13th, we celebrate the feast of our school's namesake, St. Stanislaus. On this day, our students take part in various activities to learn more about him and to grow in their faith.
St. Stanislaus students have many chances to be leaders, both in our school and in our community.
Morning announcements are read by Club de Nos. Students can volunteer to be a crossing guard through AMA's School Safety Patrol program.
Our student leadership group helps lead the social justice projects for the school community.
Our school is always buzzing with fun spirit days, big events, and projects as servant leaders. There's never a boring day at our school.
All classes have a buddy class, fostering connection, support, and friendship across grade levels, building our strong sense of community.
The gym is a fun place where we play games and practice various sports. We also learn about how being physically active is important for our health. There are a lot of sports equipment, and we can try activities like basketball, badminton, handball, and soccer.
Besides physical education classes, we offer extracurricular sports teams such as cross-country running, volleyball, handball, basketball, and the running room relay games. We are super lucky to have brand new Chromebooks, and we love to use them for project-based learning and various assignments.
Families will be happy to hear there are several daycares and after-school care options available near Ecole St. Stanislaus.
Visit our website about tab names and contact information.
We love our school, and so do our friends and families.
Which is why at Ecole St. Stanislaus is known for being a small school with a big heart.
Come visit us and see for yourself. What do you love about your school?
I love about how after school, me and my siblings can talk in French without our parents know about what we're saying.
And you?
J'aime mes amis, les profs et les activités qu'on a.
The school has provided amazing tools for our kids to do a lot of self-learning, as well as tools for parents to access, to be able to translate their homework and to be able to help them with that. And the teachers have been amazing.
Well, that's the end of our tour.
Thanks so much for checking out Ecole St. Stanislaus.
If you are interested in registering, please visit our website or call 780-434-0295.
Come join our school family next year.
Au revoir!